into the vacant seats, the 25 vacant seats that we have in River State House of Assembly. I would like you to recall that on the 14th day of December 2023, the Honorable Barrister Edison Ogerenye-Ehie, Distinguished Service Star of River State, former Speaker of River State House of Assembly, wrote a letter to INEC notifying INEC of the vacancies in the State House Assembly. And I read, notice of vacancies in the River State House of Assembly, pursuant to Section 1091G and 2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended, and requests for the conduct of fresh elections in the 25 state constituencies in the River State House of Assembly. I write to formally bring to your notice the vacancies in the seats of the underlisted constituencies and membership pursuant to Section 1091G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended. The underlisted members who represented the respective constituencies indicated against their names jointly and severally decamped from the People's Democratic Party, the PDP, under whose platform they were elected, to the All Progressive Congress, APC, on the 11th day of December 2023. As a result, in accordance with Section 1092 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended, and by the resolutions of the House at the 90th legislative sitting of the River State House of Assembly, held on Wednesday, 13th day of December 2023, their seats were declared vacant. Consequently, I write on behalf of the River State House of Assembly to kindly request for a by-election to be conducted to fill the vacant seats in the River State House of Assembly. The vacant seats and former members are Honorable Tony Williams, Queen Owama, Ahoada East State Constituency 1. Honorable Abi Peter, Degema State Constituency. Honorable John Dominic Iderema, Abua Odua State Constituency. Honorable Major Jack M, Akukutoru State Constituency 1. Honorable Ofix Kabang Christopher, Andoni State Constituency. Honorable Granville Tekena Wellington, Asaritoru State Constituency 1. Honorable George Enemi Alabo, Asaritoru Constituency 2. Honorable Lolo Opuende Isaiah, Akukutoru State Constituency 2. Honorable Igwe Obe Afoji, Elime State Constituency. Honorable Emeji Justina Emuaha State Constituency. Honorable Onwuka Ignatius, Echie State Constituency 1. Honorable Nwankwo Chimezie, Echie State Constituency 2. Honorable Mao Dumle Gokana State Constituency. Honorable Nyeche Prince Lemchi, Ikwere State Constituency. Honorable Barele Wako, Kana State Constituency 1. Honorable Amaewhule Martins Chike, Obiakpo State Constituency 1. Honorable Amadi Emilia Lucky, Obiakpo State Constituency 2. Honorable Nwabuchi Franklin Uchenna, Ogba Egbema Ndoni Constituency 1. Honorable Ezekwe Njeka Ijeoma, Ogba Egbema Ndoni State Constituency 2. Honorable David Arnold Ogubolo State Constituency. Honorable Wankwo Silvanus Eyina, Omuma State Constituency. Honorable Ofoji Gerald Oyibo State Constituency. Honorable Wami Solomon, Port Harcourt State Constituency 1. Honorable Opara Azeru, Port Harcourt State Constituency 3. Honorable Ngba Bernard, Thai State Constituency. Attached are copies of audios, visual, and print evidence of their defection. Please accept my warm regards. Yours sincerely, Right Honorable Barrister Edison Ogerenye Ehie, DSSROS Speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly, and copied to the Resident Electoral Commissioner, Independent National Electoral Commission, Aba Road, Port Harcourt. Distinguished honorable members, this notice of vacancies was sent to INEC on the 14th day of December 2023. Distinguished members, recall that on the 8th day of May 2024, the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, the Right Honorable Victor Oko Jumbo, also sent a notification for the vacancies in the 25 constituencies we have in Rivers State. And I wrote this letter to INEC requesting that their seats have been vacated and INEC should conduct by-elections in the 25 constituency seats that we have in the Rivers State House of Assembly. And I will read: the National Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, plot 436, Zambezi Crescent, Maitama Crescent, Abuja. Notice of vacancies in the River State House of Assembly, pursuant to Section 1091G and 2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, and request for conduct of fresh elections in the 25 state constituencies in the River State House of Assembly. And I read, I refer you to the letter dated the 14th of December 2023 with the reference ROVHA/10A/volume 1/016, in which the former Speaker of the 10th River State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Barrister Ehie Ogerenye Edison, Distinguished Service Star of River State, notified you of the existing vacancies in the seats of 25 members of the River State House of Assembly who defected from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to the All Progressive Congress, APC. Kindly find attached a copy of the letter for your ease of reference. I also refer you to the resolutions passed by the River State House of Assembly at its 90th legislative sitting on 13th December 2023, dated the 14th of December 2023, signed by the former Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Barrister Ahoada-West, Distinguished Service Star of Rivers State, with the reference ROVHA/10A/Volume 1/016. On the same subject matter, a copy of the resolution is attached herewith for your ease of reference. I wish to remind the Independent National Electoral Commission that the by-elections in those constituencies which the 25 lawmakers represent is yet to be conducted. Consequently, I call on the INEC to conduct the by-election to fill those vacant seats following the defections of the 25 lawmakers from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress. I would like to draw the attention of INEC to that vacancies also exists in Ahoada East Constituency 2 and Kana Constituency 2. These vacancies have arisen as a result of the resignation of Right Honorable Barrister Ahoada-West, who represented Ahoada East Constituency 2. And His Excellency has continued to remain focused. His Excellency has given Rivers State a breath of fresh air by way of his simple style of governance. He has demystified governance, and he has ensured that he had connected to even the smallest person in Rivers State, which is what we have all been yearning for. It is on this note, having satisfied the conscience of Rivers people, you know, we all come from our various constituencies, and we are the representatives of our people, and our people are happy with His Excellency. On this note, my very distinguished honorable members and dear colleagues, we would not waste any more time in approving the request of His Excellency for 5 special advisors. In fact, His Excellency would have sent more requests, more than 5, to help in the acceleration of governance in Rivers State. However, His Excellency understands what he's doing, and from the standpoint of this assembly, we would continue to give him unwavering support. This assembly, as a mandate of the people, would make sure that His Excellency develops our people. And while we wait for the 2025 budget to be presented by the executive arm to this 10th Rivers State House of Assembly, we pray that the various projects from our constituencies that affect the people directly would be captured in the 2025 budget. And I know that His Excellency would, like I said earlier, accelerate development at the local government levels so that Rivers State will be the envy of the entire states in Nigeria. On this note, my very distinguished honorable members, I would like to put His Excellency's request to vote from the members of this House. So, all those in favor for the 10th River State House of Assembly to approve the request of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, of 5 special advisors, say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Constituency 2 from the 8th and 9th Assembly. Honorable Solomon Sokolo, Esquire, Ahoada Constituency from the Honorable Sam A.K. Echie Constituency 1, Akaye from Ogubulo, the 7th, 8th, and 9th Assembly, former Chief Whip and Speaker of the